Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sergio the Traveler. I am in the site of Mayuguno. This is the project of Mayuguno which is doing right now here. That is the stones which are put there. Here is the ballast. I can't go that side because they are in a video. So guys, I'm here with the top, we call them top what?
Top mason.
Top mason. Here is my brother Kudu. Kudu, say something. Ongea kitu.
Hi guys, my name is Mr. Kudu. Top mason and side and Mayuguno.
Yes.
Mayuguno Vela.
Yeah.
My rendima so for same. Today to the working to the job. Alagi side.
This side here. Wewe ongea tu hata Kiswahili ndo tafsiri tu.
Kwenye design first ya huku sehemu ya madirishani.
Yeah, he's saying that they were designing this place of the window place. Yeah, you see how it is. It's looking smooth. Just see. They're the top masons here, bro.
And nguzo kunyoka re.
Yeah.
Nguzo kunyoka.
They're making this pillar. This pillar is very straight, and you can see it how it is. It's from down here. You can see this pillar till up. Yeah.
And garamala kungarishwa.
Yeah, he was cleaning. Yeah, he was cleaning for the wall to look neat.
Yeah, hii ni kazi yetu ambayo tunaifanya kwa bidii.
Yeah, this is the work which they are doing because of they put a lot of effort because of this work.
Tukiwa na Kapela, my friend Mr. Kapela and
other masons.
and Mr. Kennedy the remedy. Sauti ya Sangara.
Yeah.
Big fish.
The big fish. Yeah, the big fish in the lake.
Mr. Kennedy and Kapela, welcome.
Welcome, come and say. Yes. Mr. Ken, say something.
Hi.
Yes.
We are on fire. Don't worry. We are on fire.
No.
Hi, I'm kungarangara. Unasemaje kwa English? I'm clean.
Looking smart.
Smart and clean.
Yes.
I show to job.
Yes.
Finished. I finished the job.
Yes.
I'm go home to chill.
Yes.
To chill out ni pilipili.
To relax.
To relax, yeah. No problem, my friend.
Yes.
To relax.
Yes.
Tomorrow. Yeah. To recover body. Tomorrow.
Yes.
I'm going to job tena.
Yeah.
No, I am Ant-Man.
Yeah,
Kennedy the remedy. AKA Fish.
Yeah. A big fish.
Yeah, the big fish.
Yes.
Yeah, no problem, my friend. Joking nyingi.
Yes. Yeah. It's very funny.
It's very funny. Yeah, no problem. Anyway, support my brother Kudu.
Yeah.
Such I am Kudu. Every day, every time.
Such Kudu. Such Kennedy.
No, me I am no. I don't have. Yani sija fungua YouTube.
We have to open for you.
No, no problem.
We have to open for
no
you.
problem.
Yes.
Another day, tutakuwa pamoja kwa YouTube. No problem, my friend. English is hard.
Can I be your teacher of English, you guys? Naweza kuwa mwalimu wa Kiingereza ni wakati mmemaliza kazi na kuja tunachapa nini?
No problem, my friend. No problem, my friend.
Yeah. Wakati mmemaliza kazi kasa hii, tunakuja tunachapa Kiingereza hapa live.
Good, my friend. Good. Welcome.
So.
Hi guys, I'm Kapila Chepe.
Yes.
I'm here. I'm mason here.
Yeah.
Second mason, number one, Mr. Kudu, the top mason. The teacher is
teach you
what we can. So I'm respecting because he's his teacher.
Yeah.
So you know everything about to build.
Also, Kudu is a top mason.
Yeah.
Then your assistant.
Second, not as a second mason.
Second mason.
Pia tukuna fundi mgeni. So we are working three masons.
We are working three masons.
And wawili wasaidizi kichwa yao ni huyu.
Oh, so
Ant-Man.
The big fish.
Top Ant-Man.
The big fish is a top handman in this project.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm happy because we are work together.
Yeah.
Tunapenda kutaniana, tunapenda kufurahi.
Yeah, they like joking for each other.
Yeah. We are funny sometimes.
Yeah, they are very funny. You can see them, they are very funny guys.
I'm funny sometimes.
Yeah.
So I'm happy because my brother will come to visit to site.
Yes.
My brother is calm. You see, good job is good.
Yes.
So I'm happy. I'm very happy.
You're happy. So when are we beginning our classes? Kugani tunaanza darasa
classes.
sasa.
We are ready.
Lini sasa?
Hata saa hii. Hata saa hii, my friend.
Now, because now
Today is rain and
weather is
weather.
not good. So we can start tomorrow.
Tomorrow in the evening.
Finish our job faster.
Yes.
We can teach you English.
Yes.
We are ready.
Yeah.
All of you will put your camera. We be in class. Tutaweka kamera zenu tuingie darasani tuanze kupiga.
No problem.
We are ready because we are needing speak.
Yani wanasema eti wanasemaje kwa English wale watu wa Europe, Marekani.
People from
Europe, people from Marekani, people from USA. Wanataka tujue sisi
like
German cornering attack. No, bye. No problem.
Sometimes we are the weather is not good. We are crazy. Sometimes challenge in English. So today we are tumepata mwalimu.
They've got now a teacher who is Sergio the Traveler. I'm promising I can't ask them for any money. But darasa tutafanya. We'll be in class now.
We have ours here already. Class is finishing. So tunaweza tukakaa kama darasa tukafundishwa. So we are ready.
You are ready. Yes.
So English is problem, but tunangangana.
No, you are trying. You know English. You know.
No, I don't have.
You know.
English is hard like what? Like a stone. You know. Sometimes English is come to my head like you. Sometimes it disappear.
No.
Sometimes it's back.
Let me tell you one thing. When you decide to talk English, you'll talk English.
Oh.
Yes. Simple as that.
So I say that I'm ready to speak English.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm ready.
You are ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Classes tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Big fish classes tomorrow.
Tomorrow
classes.
Tomorrow, my friend. Tomorrow.
We are happy.
I'm chilling the class.
Yeah.
Every day
tunasoma
English. After job. After job. 1 hour for English.
Sometimes
moja na Kiingereza baada ya kazi.
Sometimes I feel nikijua Kiingereza I will speak like mzungu.
Yes, you will. You will. He's saying that when he will know English, he will speak like a European.
The price
he will be happy with learning English.
Good.
Yes.
So mzungu he come in this place, I'm speak with mzungu.
Yes, direct.
The price. I will be happy. I will be happy.
Say your channel to my channel.
Me, I don't have channel. Bado kidogo.
You're planning,
I'm planning, but coming soon I will be open my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So slowly.
Slow by slow.
Sometimes money is challenge.
But
nangangana.
Yes.
So don't worry. Coming soon I will be open my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Kudu.
Kudu anayo.
Yeah, Kudu. I have subscribed to Kudu. I've already subscribed to Kudu, but Kudu have not subscribed to my channel.
Labda hajajua natumia jina gani.
Kudu, go and subscribe. When to subscribe Sergio the Traveler. Sergio double S. Sergio the Traveler.
Ataitafuta najua alikuwa anajua. So
you have to open channel ba. So tutakuwa tunafanyaje mambo kama mna channel.
Don't worry. Namalizia process ya mwisho. Kwa kizungu.
Is finishing for his final process so that he can acquire the phone and to have data to open up the channel.
Soon I will be on fire.
Very fire. Very fire. This is my class. We are beginning this class tomorrow, guys. After job. Class.
We are ready.
Class.
I'm ready. Every time.
Hatutaki kwamba mzungu anakuja tunajificha. No.
He's saying that he doesn't want to see when a white person come to this place. He hide. Yes.
One day wanasemaje mzungu alikuja hapo tukakimbia
Big Fish is saying one day a white guy came on this side. They ran and they disappeared to the maze.
This is hard.
Ni ukweli alikuja.
Anyway, my friend.
Yes.
kuna jamaa alituma vitu kutoka. Nataka nimuombe yani asante sana. Wanasemaje?
Okay, there is a guy who sent for Big Fish the Gambus the surprise. He said Kennedy. The remedy. Okay, the Sulta Sangara. He's saying Big Fish. He's saying thank you. He's saying thank you for the surprise and the gift that you sent.
Thank you.
The Gambus are already here. They are here.
Yani I'm here sahi. Ili kanyaga chini
mswali. Now the nails can't penetrate to his leg.
Yeah, no problem.
No problem.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, my friend.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
God bless you.
Yes. Mko sawa? Mko sawa bana? Kidogo. Inajaza.
You can learn good speak English.
You can speak good English.
Yeah, slowly.
Step by step.
You can learn.
And there is a thing called yani ukitaka kuanza safari unaanza na step moja. Unakanyaga moja. Safari inaanzia hapo. Hata uende mpaka wapi.
Utafika.
In English is translated every single journey must begin with a single step. Any journey you want to make in life or you want to prosper in life, you have to make with a single step. Yeah. You're very silent, Kudu. Say something. Sema. Ongea.
Kudu, sema kitu Kiswahili.
Mbona jamii?
Mimi najiamini.
He's saying that he's believing himself. Say.
Eti ni say.
Siongee kitu chochote kwa
Kiswahili.
Challenge in English.
Sasa nimeshukuru kwa kukutana na ndugu yangu.
Yes.
Amekubali kutufundisha Kiingereza. Na tumeshukuru sana tukiwa pamoja.
Yes.
Tukiwa watatu pamoja. Mr. Kapela and Kennedy. The remedy. Tumeshukuru sana. Tafadhali support me, my YouTuber, young YouTuber. Ndo naanza.
Actually, Kuru is saying that if we will be supportive in English, you want to understand the English, and you have to support him because he's a young YouTuber who is trying to make in a journey of 1,000 subscribers. You have, please go tell a friend to tell a friend. Go and press that bell, ding, 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 for subscription. Guys, don't let him down. Kuru, you've heard. Unasikia kenye nimesema?
Nimekusikia.
Kweli?
Yeah.
Rudi.
Nimekusikia lakini siwezi nikaisema kwa sababu nimesikia.
You know, English. The people still speak English. We are learning, but challenge is speak English. Challenge.
But you've already speak in English.
Yani ukiongea kitu
no, let's continue. You've talked.
No,
you've already talked.
English challenge. But people talk English.
Yes.
We are learning.
Yes.
But the challenge is me, how the another person speak English. In the problem.
Communication,
between
you and another person is the problem. Now I'll make you to know to communicate.
Nashukuru sana.
Yes, you will communicate. And you'll be flowing. Kiingereza kitakuwa kina flow.
Nashukuru sana.
Tukifika hapo.
Tafurahi sana, you know.
Yes.
Sometimes tunapigiwa simu na wateja mbalimbali tuwafanyie kazi. Talk in English. I don't know English because nakata simu kwa sababu.
Guys, he's saying that sometimes I've been called by customers, many clients, to go and work as mason to their project. Now, there is a communication barrier between them and the client. So, they can't get that job, reason being, they have the language barrier between them communicating in English and communicating in Swahili. So guys, we are beginning the class tomorrow. Na watawapigia simu tuongea na Kizungu. I want you guys, call them from tomorrow. They will talk English, guys. Yes.
Ninatamani hiyo siku tukifundishwa.
Yes.
Washe kamera, waone
tuko serious. No, kamera zitakuwa live. Kamera itarudi.
Waone kwamba tuko serious.
Weka kamera yako hivi uone that uko darasani.
Tutafurahi sana.
Si hata siku hiyo, ni kesho. Umesema kesho. Kesho naingia kanisani asubuhi. jioni niko hapa site.
Sawa, tutafurahi sana sana.
So guys, tomorrow we are preparing to have a class tomorrow.
Waambie wataona.
You will see by yourself. Tomorrow I'm teacher Sejo. For the time being, having Kudu and the friends in this class, they have to know English. I want to take like 1 month or 2 weeks. At least they have that courage of expressing themselves and talking more English. Unajua tunasemanga ukilala uamke ongea kizungu. Unakula ukikunywa ongea kizungu. There is that say that when you sleep you wake up English. When you eat you drink
English.
Yeah.
I am Mzungu, I'm calm.
Yes.
I'm Mzungu, I'm calm.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Yeah. Don't worry.
Yes.
Speaking English.
English.
Yes.
Yeah,
no problem, my friend.
No problem.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Now we are finished.
We are
our
finished.
work.
Yes.
So I'm going home to rest in peace.
Yes.
Because
No,
you know,
you are not going to rest in peace.
Sasa tunapumzika kwa
Unasema
amani.
aje, unajua kusema unaenda kupumzika in peace ni kama unaenda kukufa.
I mean,
Actually he's saying
I mean,
I've already done with this job. He's going to relax, not resting in peace. Resting in peace. No, we don't want that resting in peace.
Relaxing.
He's going to relax and to the body to feel relaxed. Yes.
Now kuchill.
It's the same. He's
Kuchill.
going to chill.
Yes.
to
chill.
Yes.
I am finishing to job. I am
going
to
to
chill.
chill. Yes.
To chill home.
To chill home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Till
After
tomorrow.
home,
After chill home,
Vichunga.
I'm going
Vichunga.
kona nyingi. Kona nyingi, my friends. Hey, I am piga kichunga. I am Mzungu. I am going kichunga.
Yes.
Yeah, no problem, my friend. Yeah.
Okay.
Tumeshukuru sana.
Okay, thank you.
Kwa kutembelea
He's saying that he's appreciating for me coming and visiting them.
na tumefurahi kwa kesho kuja kutufundisha pia.
He's really appreciating for me tomorrow to come and teach them how to learn English.
Tunashukuru sana.
He's saying he's grateful.
Karibu sana kesho.
Asante. Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you, my friend.
So that is my class of tomorrow. I'll be with that class
And me,
tomorrow.
I'm here.
And we have here Mayuguno.
Yes.
Mayuguno, say something.
Guys, my name is Mayugno.
Yes.
I'm Rendema for Sehemu.
Yes.
I'm here, Sejo the traveler.
Yes.
Sejo is his big stomach. Imagine. Ana kitambi. Imagine. So no problem.
Yes.
Guys, I'm here. And very soon I'm going to travel. I'm going home. So my brother is saying, don't worry, Mayugno come to take car. Imagine. Mayugno, I'm going home with the car.
I'll
People are going
free.
going to siwata niroga jama.
No, they won't reach you. They
No
won't reach
problem.
you. They won't
problem.
reach you. Yes, they won't reach you.
No problem. So guys, kindly support my brother road to 1,000 subscribe.
Yes.
Rindima for Sehemu
Like
like German.
German, eh?
Because you know sometimes in the young boy like this. You know Sejo is not big boy, big father. Sejo we hata miaka 30 sidhani kama unataka. Sejo is
So listen guys, what
Yes.
Mayuguno is telling
Sejo
you.
is small. So, you know, mwili wake usiwadanganye. The body is not to he's not to fear you. Sejo is young. He's a young boy. Actually, so you know his big stomach. He's eating sukuma wiki too much. No problem. No problem. So Sejo is eating sukuma wiki. Shemeji in love. Sejo the trouble is cook sukuma wiki with ugali vroga na sauce. So it makes Sejo become big like this. Imagine. So kindly support my brother's channel. Road to 1,000 subscribe. Because you know Sejo the traveler. He don't let you down. He's do good video, good content. He's here. He's help us people, the young boy in the village, YouTuber. Sometimes you need to use luxury like this when you say the traveler. I would say just nitaweka tu mafuta.
Weka mafuta tu.
No. Usije kasema nimekukandamiza kwenye kamera.
No, weka mafuta. I'm saying guys, he's going to fuel. Give him fuel.
Yes.
I can't charge him anything.
Imagine free of charge.
To go free, I'm saying.
Yes, no. Sejo gave me car.
Yes.
I'm going to with Maja.
Yes.
With Maja KE.
Magic.
And some boy from Nyabuan. Maja alichonichekesha is a secret agenda. No problem. Kindly support my brother and me road to 30,000 subscribe. Rendema to for sehemu guys, because I see the next video will come tomorrow with my brothers. They're really good content. So don't miss video.
Don't miss that.
Tomorrow don't miss video, because me already am covermeering in the video. So tomorrow the real video for me with my brother. Don't miss. See you the next video. Me, I don't say everything. Bye bye. God bless you so much. Yeah.